Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck and install this app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, click on Open. As you can see, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your TCL's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!